all, or there is no law and order, and there is false liquor, false surrender, and everything is false. And now they are claiming Kamaraj rule. It's very shameful that congressmen itself telling Stalin rule is Congress rule, Kamaraj rule. No, encounter, actually the person who threw the arrow is somewhere. So they are killing the arrows, not identifying the person who is throwing the arrow. So on whose direction this arrow killed that Honorable President of BSP, Armstrong. So killing that person, Trivenkadam, they have killed the truth. From where they will get the truth? And another thing, why they took the person accused in that early morning, and why didn't they take precautions? And they were telling he was having a rifle. A person who was in the custody, how he got a rifle? So they are portraying another thing. They have released the CCTV footage of the murder. But usually all the legal experts are telling the footage should be released only in the court. The release of the footage is misdirecting the people. And another thing, it is revealed in such a busy place. A murder can happen in Tamil Nadu. So who gave protection to the murderers? And what gave them courage to come to that such a busy place and to make such an atrocity? So they were so courageous to do that. You can see so instead of revealing the truth, the other problems also it is revealing. It is in a busy place, and in front of everybody brutally they were killing, and no police protection. A person who always had a police protection, and all this is really, it is revealing the inability of the police and the government. So why can't Stalin write a letter to Rahul Gandhi? He is telling Rahul Gandhi wrote a letter for NEET. NEET is going on, and the children, 2 lakh children have applied for NEET in Tamil Nadu. Children have accepted it. Even the village students are actually getting benefits from the NEET, and they are getting admitted in the professional colleges. But now NEET is a problem which is dealt by the Education Ministry, and they have given adequate explanation. But what happened to Kaveri? And Stalin, in spite of both the same India alliance ruling Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, why they are not releasing the water? That they should answer. That Stalin, what all the efforts made by Stalin to get the water? So it's very, very disheartening. They have mentioned this is the first time in the world, that too on the birthday of great leader Kamaraj. He was the one, even at that time, some countries like Russia appreciated it. He was the one, combined the nutrition with education, and later our Honorable Prime Minister, during the introduction of NEP, nutrition with education, it is the part of NEP. Now they have taken it and put a sticker as if they have done, and they would have mentioned it on the birthday of great leader Kamaraj. We are introducing it. They didn't publish any Kamaraj picture, because nutrition with education is the Kamaraj's brainchild. But now they are telling the world for the first time in the world. So always lying. They are usual for lying. That's all. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, it's very, very disheartening to see that even today in some of the media has reported. I myself have visited some of the areas. We are going to appeal the government, please protect the South Chennai people, and if needed we are going to agitate also, because most of the low-lying areas, that was my appeal to the people also, because these all should be rectified. Please vote for us. That was because we had a good water management plan. We can appeal our Honorable Prime Minister, and now also we will appeal. We will help the people. But still it is continuing. Every time the people are suffering because of floods. This time also government has not taken any proactive measures to prevent the floods and to protect the people. That is the worry of us.